Cat Island, Alabama is probably one of the premier spots to go see nesting big, larger wading birds. One I enjoy the most is the reddish egret. Beside reddish, you have both the blue and white morse, and then you have snowy egrets, great egrets, tricolored heron, of course little blues. It's a beautiful place. A lot of white ibis, oyster catchers, probably some gold-billed terns, and of course it's habitat for a lot of birds that fish and eat off of Cat Island. So it's an incredible spot. One of the few that's off the Alabama coast. It's fairly easy to access, and it is a private island. Individual obviously owns it, but it is a protected area, so it's good to see that the booms are out around the island. And it was good to see that most of the islands were boomed, and I'm not sure how much good it's going to do. The booms seem to be about at the most a foot high, and of course anything 1.5 to 2 foot chop would easily get past the boom. So we're hopeful for the best. I'm hopeful for the best, but obviously it's going to be a lot of, should the oil reach this spot, it will definitely have catastrophic results. Something none of us want to even think about, especially on any long-term basis. So.